In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do inventory adjustment in Odoo if you need to update your stock counts so they match what you physically have on hand. Odoo makes that process very simple. An inventory adjustment, sometimes called a physical inventory update, is useful when you've counted products in your warehouse or storage area and noticed that the quantities in the system are different from the real numbers. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to do so you can make those changes quickly and accurately. To get started, go ahead and click on Inventory. This will take you into the Inventory Management area, where you can view stock movements, operations, and product quantities. If you're new to Odoo, this is the main section you'll use whenever you want to manage what's coming in, what's going out, and what's currently available. Once you're inside the Inventory module, look at the top menu and click on Operations. From the drop-down options, select Physical Inventory. This is the section where Odoo allows you to review and update actual stock counts. It's designed to help you compare the quantity recorded in the system with the quantity you've counted in real life. Now, in this screen, you can enter the new counts for each product. As you update the quantities, Odoo will automatically calculate the adjustment for you. That means the system will show the difference between the current recorded stock and the new count you entered. It will also display the related details, which helps you confirm that the adjustment is correct before you finalize it. This automatic calculation is especially helpful because it reduces manual work and makes it easier to avoid mistakes. As you enter your counts, take a moment to double-check the quantities for accuracy. Even a small typo can affect your stock records, so it's always a good idea to review the numbers before saving. This is particularly important if you're adjusting high-volume or high-value products. When everything looks correct, click Save. Once you do that, your inventory adjustment will be recorded and your stock levels will reflect the updated physical count. And that's it. That's how to do an inventory adjustment in Odoo. It's a short process, but it plays an important role in keeping your inventory accurate and reliable.